What's up, traveling family? Thanks for tuning in to another episode. The holidays are coming up. You've got Christmas, Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, New Year's, and you have got to find some gifts. I have the perfect recommendation, some really unique stuff. We're going to cover that all in today's episode. Let's begin. So the first gift recommendation I have is a decal based around the type of laptop you have. Now, in this case, I have an Apple iMac. And check this out. It's zombie Snow White and she's holding the apple. I have to say, people, when they see this, they always come up to me and say, wow, that's so cool, or their eye draws right instantly to it. You can purchase all kinds from all kinds of different places, but I like Etsy because Etsy has more of a unique one, but these are really cool and they're very inexpensive. So a decal based around your laptop, in this case, Zombie Snow White, is definitely unique gift number one. Let's talk about unique gift number two. In this case, a custom knife. You probably have a friend or a family member who's an avid outdoorsman, a scuba diver, or perhaps someone who's just in constant need of a knife. And what cooler gift to give them than a knife? I was gifted a knife from Siberia, and the sheath and the handle are actually made from mammoth tusks, and they're around 10,000 years old. The knife itself, the blade, is actually around 200 years old, if not even older. And that makes it really unique. It was customized for me. If you're looking for a unique knife for someone, I recommend going to Etsy or anywhere you want, Amazon or eBay, and purchasing a knife made of Damascus steel. Usually the blade has this really unique wavy design on it. It's very cool. I'll link something in the description if you just want to check it out. Remember though, if you're going to get a dive knife, it has to look completely different because you don't want a sharp edge. Let's move on to gift number three. Now, gift idea number three is truly out of this world. Did you know that you can buy property on the moon or Mars? If you have a young family member or some adult that's very in love with the idea of space travel, rocketry, etc., this unique gift is very cool. For gift idea number four, I recommend getting a custom snow globe. What makes these really cool is you can put a photo inside. Maybe a photo of your wife, maybe a photo of your parents or grandparents, or even a pet. And it shows to that person that you put a lot of time and effort into that gift. Gift number five, perhaps you have someone in your family who's very tech savvy or even likes to edit videos for YouTube. You can get them a 1-year subscription to Adobe Suite. Adobe Suite has many cool programs: Adobe Premiere, Adobe After Effects, Adobe Character Animator, a bunch of other programs. And this is really cool because they have everything they need under one umbrella. And the yearly subscription is not all that expensive. Now, if you're still thinking none of these gifts are really appealing, you can always go the classic route. Right now, wireless earbuds are very popular. They usually come in these small little self-charging ports. So when you're done with the wireless earbuds, you put them back in the charging port and it charges in here, and then you charge the whole unit through a micro USB on the back side. These are great. Make sure to get sweat-proof ones or water-resistant ones, because if people wear them outside during the rain or during sweaty activities, you want to get the ones that stay in the ear. If that still doesn't interest you, you could always get a wireless Bluetooth speaker. These are great. The batteries now last from 6 to 8 or 9 hours. Very easy to use, very easy to charge, and the connections to the Bluetooth makes it lightning fast. They're great because when you travel, when you're having a picnic, when you go for a hike, just turn this on and that's it. It makes a really cool gift. And my final typical recommendation is a little bit heavy. This is a kettlebell, especially now with a lot of gyms closing. Home workout has kind of become a new rage. This is a 16 kilogram, which is roughly around 32-pound kettlebell. This is great for home use. Be careful though, if you smash it into the floor, you will damage your floor. But these are great because you can use them in many different exercises, and especially if people aren't training and they're already missing the gym, this is great for home use. Now, I recommend for beginners men 16 kilograms, and for women, beginner around 8 to 12 kilograms, which is somewhere around 16 to 20 pounds. If you get those really heavy ones that are like 50, 60 pounds, or roughly around 32 kilograms, it's too heavy, it's not needed. So that is my other gift. Now let me put this down very carefully not to smash my floor. Okay, you heard that? We don't want to break the floor. And my final gift recommendation, if you didn't like anything about what I said today, you can always make a donation to a charity in the person's name. Sometimes people, especially during this troublesome times, they want to feel that they're doing something helpful. And if you were to make a donation in their name, it helps to brighten up everybody's spirits, and also it does something good for some people in need. I hope this video helped you in making some decisions. Good luck, enjoy the holidays, enjoy the new year, and let's all hope we can return to travel next year. Good luck, guys. As always, peace, and see you soon.